Hello and welcome to St. Mary Catholic High School's virtual presentation for Grade 6 orientation. Before we proceed with our presentation, we'd like to invite all of our attendees to visit the school website and take a virtual tour of our facility. Again, this virtual tour can be found on the St. Mary homepage under News and Information. Grade 7 and 8 students who come to St. Mary will have the opportunity to hone their leadership skills by becoming involved with different clubs and groups within the intermediate wing. For grade 7, some of these leadership opportunities include being a class rep for Intermediate Student Council or being an intramural captain for their team. In grade 8, leadership opportunities open up even more and can include being a co-ed council leader, a photographer, the social convener, the secretary, the treasurer, or the council journalist. Student Council meets weekly in intermediate and helps to organize fun and inclusive activities for their peers. One of the many events Council helps to plan is Intermediate's famous Halloween week. Students participate in organized games and competitions to win a variety of prizes. St. Mary is always advocating for student involvement at school. Athletically, they have both competitive and non-competitive sports to play. The cross-country team travels to competitive meets while the intramural group organizes the annual Harrier Race, a race every intermediate student participates in with Crusader spirit and their intramural team color pride. Our intramural group is also responsible for organizing a variety of different sports throughout the school year that students play at lunch. Co-ed football happens in the fall, along with intramural soccer. St. Mary also has a competitive female and male soccer team. St. Mary is home to both competitive male and female volleyball teams and an intramural team. Competitive male and female basketball, as well as intramural team play. And both a girls and boys very competitive hockey team. The intermediate track and field team is very popular in the spring. Students also are invited to participate in a track and field intramural fun day, where they get to try all different field options and have a great time with their friends outside. Intermediate Student Council collaborates with our intramural group to plan for a winter carnival week. Skating and snow activities are often followed up with a boost of spirit and Crusader pride. Sometimes even phys ed classes simply take a trip to the skating rink to switch it up. At St. Mary, we promote the idea that having fun at school means getting involved, meeting new people, and taking a few chances. More intermediate Crusader clubs and activities include Relay for Life, Eco Club, Choir, Robotics and Coding, Dungeons and Dragons, Mathletes, and Yearbook. Of course, St. Mary recognizes the importance of academic success at school. We know attendance is crucial for this success. We also know that learning is not only an academic goal, but a social and a spiritual one as well. One very important place at St. Mary Catholic High School is our chapel. Here, students have the opportunity to chat with or seek guidance from our school chaplain, Mr. Sean Shallows, or our priest, Father Brent Brennan. As many of you are likely already aware, St. Mary Catholic High School students, both intermediate and senior, are required to wear a uniform. This uniform can include a kilt, pants, golf shirts, dress shirts, and sweaters. They, along with our spirit wear, can be purchased online or at our uniform store on the premises. We'd like to invite you to save any questions you may have about St. Mary Intermediate for our live open house on Thursday, February 18th from 6:30 to 7:30. This open house can be accessed at the St. Mary website. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to welcome you in September of 2021.